Have you ever wondered what personalities like Jim Carrey, Channing Tatum, Adam Levine, Robin Williams, Walt Disney, John Lennon, Albert Einstein, Salvador Dali, Winston Churchill, Leonardo da Vinci, Oscar Wilde, Will Smith, Thomas Edison, and Galileo all have in common? Besides being successful, do you have any other wild guesses? No? Well, the answer, my friends, is nothing but ADHD. Most of these people are clinically diagnosed with ADHD. Well, of course, except Wilde, Da Vinci, and Galileo, because ADHD wasn't discovered yet during their time. However, they strongly manifested its symptoms. First, what is ADHD? ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, is a mental disorder that affects one's attention span and his or her motor skills. So, it is usually diagnosed between 8 to 10 years old or during your late childhood. If you come across a person who cannot stay still most of the time, can pay attention or focus to one thing for long periods of time, forget things quite often, keeps on talking and talking, has troubles completing tasks, and has problems learning lessons in class, then you are most likely dealing with an ADHD patient. So, what is the relationship between ADHD and genius? When your name is already synonymous to the word genius, then maybe you are indeed ahead compared to most people. Take Einstein, for example. Einstein is extremely forgetful of almost all things. He always forgets his keys, couldn't pay attention to his class as well, and he can't even keep his hair neatly combed or properly combed. Or maybe that's his fashion statement, but let's just say that the world wouldn't be the same without Albert Einstein. Scientists often say that ADHD patients most of the time only have one focus on one side of their brains. Some ADHD patients might excel artistically, that thus they have their right brain used more often than their left. And there are other ADHD patients who has their left brains more active than their right brains, but using both sides of their brains, using it together, is a very grueling task for them.